Good morning, team on Smash. How's everybody doing today? Welcome back to another video. A quick look at update on site. This video is just an updated video where you guys probably see as vacation. Dashan took a vacation, but actually I did not. I was out and about doing many other things, you guys. I get the opportunity to come back on site today. And yesterday was a bit too hectic for my filming, so today now is a calmer day. Lockdown and them thing there, so we only have one guy on site. He's doing some plumbing work on that side of the building, so the walls, the electrician's supposed to come on Thursday and finish the way I do. I'm gonna go over that side eventually, but I just want to give you an overall update on the process of this unit in particular. So again, I want to say big up to everybody who see me in that place. Actually showed me a road. I never can get used to that. It always feel weird and awkward to me, especially when they approach me like I don't know how to react, you know. But guys, as I say, if you see me or anything like that and you can't show me, like me happy for me to know, but I didn't even want to meet to know, and I just ensure say, boy, I right time on it. My head look like it dip on my body of a deer, so because sometimes trust me, my head hurt me. Even last night I couldn't even sleep, like headache. Be things up on my mind. Some things I work out, some things not work out. Certain risks where you take, like it there, like it can feel, like the chances that it's feeling is so great. Enough funny. So anyways, as I was saying a couple vlogs ago, the retaining wall was going to be built for the access on the left side of the building. I don't know for north or west or east or south, east or south, but it is on the left side of the building. So we're gonna have a look at it. It is at somewhat amount of progress, and it is, yeah, we just talked about it a little bit. And as I say, we de-shutter the last side away cast, and there's two parts tonight: the cantilever itself and the bathroom, cantilever, the bathroom, and the washroom. So we're outside now against the retaining wall, and we'll just look on it. As I said, we reach far. That's how they're gonna do. Then we get the back off level down back the place to the stone wall where they're around the front, and then yeah, work our way up from there. So at some point, guys, I have to stop film right there. So for privacy sake, we can't really show everywhere in the house and where this is going, what I hope you understand that. Hopefully we can move on to something different from there, so, and still keep this ball rolling, you know. So guys, this wall in particular have to do with the access. So bear in mind that you should be able to go around at the front of this unit. So if you drive around here, so we will be all having this earth, and we don't want nothing slide or go over there. So over there, so it would be like the area in which them hang out them clothes and things like that. So retaining wall and driveway. So I have to put a retaining wall right here, so we're thinking about putting one around that side, but that not fully concrete as yet. So now this is it. We go 8-inch again with a bar in every core. I'll go right down, come up and strap it up. Column every, I think it's 10, and yeah, we'll come up a little bit more, and then we scrape down all of this, and then we should be set ceiling. So before the week done, all this earth is supposed to be used as backfill, at least some of it, and then we'll put back some right there. So that floor level here, I forgot, actually come up. It is 5 feet above this one. So some of this earth I can use over there. So, and then yeah, we have to go cut down around the other side. I believe in the last vlog I showed you guys the dog leg. So this is it. This is the staircase. As you can see, we tie it inside of the wall. We're gonna go over that side and look how the progress is from the last time. I remember over there so was the side where in which we cast and then we come up with our block works. As you can see, we cast the columns them, and if you notice some of my lintels them I go up in a couple of days time. So you have to do your lintels before you do the beams. So with the lintel level, we want to strap up here so we can get the deck off here. So we have a unfinished building up here, so, and an unfinished house down there. So this is the progress on the unit, guys. Yes, sir. So we are entering from this side. So as I say, the other section of the unit, then we have a step down. Because this represents the floor level. So I got a step down coming into this area. Washroom, kitchen, L-shape, dining, family room, and room. Yep. And there's the access to the balcony. Bathroom to every room. 12 by 13. Bathroom, walk-in closet. Somebody has been drinking on the job. Yeah guys, we just need an opinion. Is it nice? Me actually like the concept. The design, to me the space is maximized. Don't mind me doing all of this because the sun is really hot, and as you can see me now found me brought that to the bucket that. So the space is really nice. It maximized, but I don't know if the design is the most energy efficient design. However, that's something I can work with. So yeah, let's go downstairs and see what I want. Put the plumber and everything. Here's Sersky. Get the look noisy. I believe so.
Other plant that then they eat it down.
You don't burn anything then go for it.
And if you ever try squeeze it and kill it.
So with that 8 length here, so I used to another 2 length come in there, so 8, 9, 10. Put a teeny bit in there, cause trust me, anything I break back. It's on wet. The sun wet, it will stick up and break your back even more. What you can do, one barrel down there. One barrel down there. Can make it easier for you, you know. Can make it get one barrel and run it on the barrel. Hey, alright, you know, this is good. Sure. Alright, just in case it's wet, could I use the barrel? Alright, so do that now. Good morning again, team. Ismash, day 2 of the vlog, final day for the vlog, and we're here again on a lockdown, you know, so we're just a chill. Literally, the upstairs is a chill, and the guy downstairs at work. But we cheers out to the main reason why I can't really show the inside that bathroom because it's very dark, and we're not on a light right now, so it don't make sense to force the camera off, you see. However, and chase the walls, put in the pipe and the mixer, and now make look a mortar and flash over the wall. That's why it's a play around with the sand and cement. So yes guys, I just wanted to give you an update on the site, seeing that I'm gonna drop a video in a couple of days now. So we will be continuing this series in our next vlog, which is about in a couple of days, or 2 or 3 days, give and take. As I said, the electrician are coming, the guys them come back and box up them calamere and cast them. We put up a lintel, then we put up a belt. Still I got work down there, so flash out the rest of the wall, and the little part where you see where the little partition wall there, we go fix up right there, so because I can see it was a last minute thing, and we put on wall there. So then we got termite treat and then cast and all of that. So hopefully you guys stick around to see all of that. As I said, big up on yourself, Team Ismash. Follow me Instagram. I'm not stop post on Instagram for sure though, and I'm not ease the post on IG for sure. But either way, I am here chilling in a lockdown. Hopefully you guys are keeping sane during the lockdown and all that good stuff. I know it's not easy, and staying safe, that's the most important thing. Staying safe. I'm not going to tell you when they're not going to take on a vaccine up to owners, but I smash the theme thing. Staying safe, quarantine, the far from everybody. I'm out.